if you have not make money on arbitrage trade before, or you have make some profit maybe few months back, but you want stable income that it's possible for you to be getting certain amount of money every month, I'm going to show you this on Binance. People are doing this, so it's less for you to take this step. So make sure you do your own research and like the video and turn up your notification bell. First thing, you need to have Binance account and verify your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create Binance account with the link. After creating Binance account, you go to P2P. P2P, over here, you'll be buying BTC. Let me show the reason why you'll be buying the reason you'll be buying BTC. As at now, these people that shows buy over here, so some people make an order to sell, so that's why he bring it to you over here as buy. So they are selling, you are buying. In this trade, in this mode of trading, you are not buying directly. You come to this option, you see sell. Some people are willing to buy, they are willing to buy, they make buy order, so it's going to give it to you if you have BTC on Binance. If you want to sell, then you are going to sell to this guy. Over here, we are not buying directly, or you are not opening to buy at this price. So first thing you need to do is come to this filter and use and press 100 and press 10,000. This is where the profit comes in. So this 10,000 right now, this is when, for example, if you want to make a reasonable of money with this monthly side hustle, you want to be making money weekly, you need to use almost like 200,000 to make this trade for you to have maybe relative good amount of profit, maybe 30, 20,000, 80, 50,000, depends on how much you trade you are able to make every month. So this kind of good side also, people are making this. I'm just going to explain this. If in any time or in this video you don't understand what I'm trying to say, just rewatch the video, you'll be able to understand. Let me go back. Let me clean this again. I need to show you this. Press confirm. Make sure you put this in mind. If someone want to sell to this guy over here, like maybe 200,000 or 10,000, this guy is not selling something around 10,000. He's not buying. You want to buy in bulk. So some people on Binance, they may not have enough of money to sell to this guy, so they are not going to trade with this guy. This is the price right now. If someone wants to sell to this guy, he's going to buy it at 16 million 200,000 72,000 right now. But you are not buying at this high rate. Just use this filter and press 10,000 naira. Press 10,000 naira. Can you see that the price change? The price change. So as the price change, you are going to be buying low. Then you will go to these guys over here, cancel. You go to this guy over here that are willing to buy high, then you sell to them. This is how these things work relatively. And let me show you something. Then once you press your sell order that you want to sell, then it's going to bring it over here for anyone to buy. Remember, we want to buy 200,000 worth of BTC. Let me just press this. Right. 200,000. I'm going to copy this. Once we set our trading that we want to buy at this rate with this kind of guy, go back. I've copied this. You just need to put, maybe you want to sell your own 16 million 930,000 39. So it's going to bring you up over here on this guy over here, or 941. So it's going to put you over here. So anybody that want to trade, they are going to see you at the first guy over here. So remember, we make our buy order, then we buy at this guy, the top guy over here. Then I've copied this. Then you will need to place sell order also. Like you want to sell this. Let's take for instance, you have buy from that guy and you want to sell. You want to sell that you are this second guy over here. Then you press, and someone wants to buy from you. Let's take for instance, it take 2 or 3 days for you to be able to sell the 200,000 worth of Bitcoin you buy. It says this guy is not selling up to that kind of amount. Let me just scroll down. This guy over here, since we have 200,000, and this is worth of 200,000. As you can see over here, you remember we are able to buy this BTC around with all our investment 200,000, but selling this BTC back on the market, and we'll be making 4,000 profit. So it depends on how many times you can do this if you are lucky, you can do this in 2 days or in 1 day. So this not get rich quick, but this you can still make money with this kind of trading. Then you can just repeat it doing this. If people are not making money with this kind of trade, I just show you over here this kind of arbitrage and opportunity. Like they will buy small order for those people that does not have a lot of money to trade on Binance. So they are going to buy from them lower price, then they are going to sell it in high price. So if people are not making money with this kind of trade I just show you, you won't find anyone here. People are making money. So it's less for you to decide to make this trade or not. If you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. If you are able to do this 10 times in a month, that's 40,000 without doing anything. That's 40,000. That's only like 20% or 20% in return on investment on 200,000. If you have a large amount of money, this different kind of story. You'll be making, if you have 400,000 doing this, you'll be making 80,000 doing this. So you don't have to you don't have to work, you just have to be doing this on phone. I think this is kind of best side hustle on Binance you can imagine. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.